All right, so our fertilizer looks like it's hit the 225 gallons, so it's about ready to stop. So I'll go turn that off before it overflows. So that took about a half hour to fill that tank. So that should basically give me just enough water to water the rest of the baskets. At least I'm hoping it does. So I don't have to keep doing this. But yeah, let's go take that off, create our air gap, and then verify we don't have any siphoning going back. Take that off. That goes down, and then we walk back all the way to the other side. A lot of walking in the greenhouse, back and forth and back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. It's not a problem for me. I learned to walk in a greenhouse, so this should be second nature for me. Yep, there we go. There's our air gap up here. No siphoning. The other thing that I do on this is with this. The other thing I do on this is with this quarter turn valve, I do open this bottom one just slightly, and it helps circulate water. So if I turn it off, it doesn't overpressure the hose. It always has an outflow. But the other thing is this allows air into the system. So we do have our intake way down at the bottom of the tank. So if I lose power, I forget to turn something off, something like that, I unplug it, I walk away, this will never drain the entire tank out because of this air gap that I always keep here. So, you know, this circulation will then suck air in, which if a siphon starts, this would actually stop it. So it'd suck air and wouldn't let it siphon out. So I did a lot of thinking about this as I was setting up the system to make sure that I was eliminating any of my issues. Let's get you set up on the tripod. We'll walk you back here, and I'll get you kind of out of the way and let you watch the watering as it goes, and kind of how I do. There you go. We'll get you out of the way, let you watch the watering as it goes. With these, I'm giving it about a count to 15 on the baskets, which is just enough water to let it start to drip through the bottom side, but not so much that it soaks it. If I do find one that's been missed or skipped or it's dried out, it does get extra water. So let's get you set up. There you go. Turn my pump back on. All right, so you can hear that pump running back there. I've got my hose again. I just kind of work down through the aisles, making sure I water every basket. Everything that's hanging on this side's been done already. So we're just going back through and getting everything that's on the ground now. So, I had my valve turned off. It's back on now. So we count 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's enough there. And we just start that process over and over again. We just move through all of the baskets. So there you go. There's a little bit of that watering process. So about 15, about a count to 15 for each basket for watering. With this right now, as the weather's starting to warm up, I have been watering every other day and they've been okay with that. Now it's going to pretty much be every day from here on out. That started about a week and a half ago. I've got to water them every day. So means I come up here, I spend 2.5, even 3 hours up here watering. Just depends on how much time I'm waiting for the tank to fill and how dry the plants were is really how long it takes. This whole strip of baskets in through here has already been watered. That strip that's hanging and then what's down below here to finish up watering, and then I'll be done. So probably 45 minutes or an hour left on this. But I'm going to go ahead and end this here. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I hope you learned something. Ag Teacher Thoughts out.